Discuss about Indian geology. So Indian geology, like Indian physiographic region are given here, but I'm going to discuss something about Indian geology today. Okay, Indian geology is there. So there are some eras in the Indian geology. So we are going to discuss that eras basically here. Okay. So first of all, there is a quaternary era. As you are seeing this dotted line, this is the quaternary era. Then Shivalik, this area is as the Shivalik and the Palm series. Then lower middle Miocene. It's a lower middle Miocene area. So here we can see this. Now Paleogene. Paleogene area is this one area which is very dark in seeing. That is the Paleogene area. Okay. Now the coastal territory. This is the coastal territory. Okay. Now Rajmahal and Deccan flow. So we can see this area is the Rajmahal and Deccan flow. This whole area. Okay. Now Mesozoic era. So Mesozoic era, as we can see, Mesozoic era is in the graph. Like you can see, this is the Mesozoic era. Okay. So this is the dot, like cross line is there. Something is crossed line is there. So we can found in the graph, here is some kind of area, there is some kind of area here also. Now like Gondwana region is this. Okay. Now Vindhyan system, that is here. All right. Now Malani, that is also in between. This is the Malani area in between of that. Darwa region is there is the Darwa region. Now unclassified crystalline area. So this is the unclassified area and crystalline also. Chernocrite. Chernocrites are like the area. This is the Chernocrite area, and data not efficient. The free area like this. Here some data is not efficient. All right. So now we are going to differentiate the areas in small segments. Okay. So first of all, Pleistocene area. From Upper Pliocene to Pleistocene. Okay, Upper Pliocene to Pleistocene is the upliftment of Himalaya. Okay, and Shivalik. Main boundary thrust in the Pleistocene. What is that? Pleistocene area. Okay. Now next is Pliocene and Miocene. So we can see Pliocene and Miocene. So the both area is in the main central thrust. Here is the main central thrust. Upliftment of Lesser Himalaya. Okay, so Lesser Himalaya is the Pliocene and Miocene. Now the Oligocene and Eocene. Oligocene area is upliftment of Central Himalaya. This part is the Oligocene. Oligocene is the upliftment of Central Himalaya, and that is also Eocene also. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to Paleocene. Paleocene is the collision of Indian and Eurasian plate begin continent collision Indian Sangpo Satchar zone. Here is the Indian Sangpo and Satchar zone. Okay. So this area is known as Paleocene. Paleocene. Indus Sanchar Satchar zone. Sangpo Satchar zone is known as the Paleocene. Okay. Now next one is the Cretaceous. Cretaceous is extensive eruption of the basaltic leading to formation of Deccan lava plateau. It is the Deccan lava plateau, and here is the extensive eruption. Extensive eruption is there, and that area is known as Cretaceous. Cretaceous. Okay. Now upper era, upper Carboniferous or Permian era. So this is the deposition in three great graben like basin, Mahanadi, Damodar, Godavari, known as the Gondwana deposits, and that is the Carboniferous or Permian era in this area. Now lower Paleozoic era is like from Cambrian to Carboniferous. Upper Paleozoic era is from Carboniferous and Permian, and lower Paleozoic era is from Cambrian to Carboniferous and formation of conspicuously absent. Okay. Now upper Proterozoic era. Upper Proterozoic era. It's a Vindhyan syncline. Avoid metalliferous minerals are there. In Vindhyan syncline there is a metalliferous minerals and form of shales, slate, clay and limestone. Now we are going to discuss about Precambrian era. So Precambrian era, as the name is saying, it's a Precambrian era, and middle Proterozoic, in that it's middle Proterozoic. Okay, middle Proterozoic in there. So that is the Satpura formation of deposition of Kaddapa depression. Here is the Kaddapa and Satpura. Satpura and Kaddapa. Okay, and now early Proterozoic, that is Delhi and Aravali. This is the early Proterozoic, that is Delhi and Aravali orogeny. Now close Archean. Archean is the era. Archean is the Dharwad system in Karnataka, and that is the Archean. Now later Archean is peninsular gneiss and Ghat formation. This is the eastern Ghat formation in the Archean era. Later Archean and middle Archean, that is the Singhbhum and Kyonjor orogeny, rich in iron ore. This is the middle Archean. Okay, this is the middle Archean, and there is the Kyonjor and Singhbhum era of rich iron and reserve. So this we discussed all about today, the Indian geology.